is Nanuj Grace, a student from Chanjai School Umbiji, and with my friend.
Hello everyone, my name is Mabila Bernadette Esther, a student at Chanjai School Umbiji.
Today we are here to talk about a proposed project that is called Ecolo, and this project is aimed about solving the problem of food. So the reason as to why we came up with this project is all about we made an investigation around our fellow students in the school and also outside the community. And we saw that most of the students here at school feed on one type of food. We as students, we said, what can we do to solve such a problem? We came up with this idea, and that's all about Ecolo project. So this project is all about Ecolo that combines two things, whereby eco from ecology, living organisms feed on their what? Things here in the community.
Ecolo is a circular zero waste farming project. Here, the wastes are turned into useful products. In this project, we deal in rearing ducks and rearing the catfish. The types of ducks that we deal in, we have the Peking ducks, we have the sunken ducks, and the Niko ducks. In this project, the ducks are housed above the pond where the fish stay. Here, we feed the ducks with the leftovers from the kitchen. Some of you may see the leftovers as wastes. So for us to turn them into a useful product, where we use them as feeds for the ducks. So we use these feeds from the kitchen and feed them to the ducks. These ducks go ahead to produce the droppings. These droppings go down in the pond. They lead to the growth of planktons. Planktons is the food that the fish feed on while they are down in the water. When these planktons grow, this is what the fish will feed on. So there is no need for us to include the synthetic food or the industrialized food. This project is natural. We use only natural feeds in this project. So the water, since the droppings from the ducks and then the fish also release the droppings, this water is made organic, it is fertilized. So we get the water and use it to irrigate our vegetables. We have the tomatoes, we have the cabbages, eggplants. We irrigate using this water. So this project goes in a circular motion. The feeds from the kitchen, we use them to feed the ducks. The ducks release the droppings. The droppings fertilize the planktons. The planktons grow where the fish will feed on. The fish will also go on to release droppings, which will fertilize the water. We shall use the water for irrigating the vegetables, and then we shall go ahead to feed on the vegetables, feed on the fish, and then feed on the ducks.
And so the ducks release, we lay the eggs. And if they lay the eggs, we shall provide some of the eggs to the learners and another will sell it. The reason that's why we sell those eggs and the fish is to sustain the project, to keep on moving. The catfish, we know that we have a time of harvesting, meaning when we are harvesting, we consume some as learners, and then another one is sold to the community to sustain. And in that harvest, we shall remove the compost that is down there. We shall remove that one now, that one will act as our manure. We take it to the vegetables. We shall feed on the vegetables, another will sell it to sustain the project. So that's how the project is such a.
With this project, we believe we shall solve the problem of food and then come up with something that people can carry out as an economic activity so that they stop carrying out deforestation. We have been Chanjai High School in Umbiji.